These two US states are the only ones that don't share borders with any other state. Fact number 24. Missouri and Tennessee share their borders with the highest number of US states. That's right, Missouri and Tennessee are true border hoppers, each sharing boundaries with a whopping 8 states. Talk about mixing and mingling. Fact number 23. The US borders 3 oceans. Most people know that the US borders the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, but did you know that it also touches the Arctic Ocean? Alaska's northern coastline is the one adding a chilly third ocean to the mix. It's about time for us to shift focus to hit you with some fun and unexpected US city facts. Fact number 22. Orlando isn't the capital of Florida. Orlando might have the fame and the theme parks, but it doesn't have the title of Florida's capital city. This honor goes to Tallahassee, which is located in the state's panhandle. Fact number 21. Anchorage is quite a global hub. Despite its remote location, Anchorage is a major hub for international cargo, especially because it sits halfway between major markets like Asia and North America. Fact number 20. 34 US states have a city or a town named Springfield. Some might believe the common factoid saying that every US state has a city or a town called Springfield, while others might think there's only one Springfield, famously known as the home of The Simpsons. Either way, you're in for a surprise. Fact number 19. The smallest incorporated town in the US only has 1 resident. When you hear the phrase a small town, you might think of charming communities with a few hundred residents, but the population of the smallest incorporated town in the US, Monowi, Nebraska, is exactly 1 person. Fact number 18. The US has 2 state capitals that rhyme. Here's a silly geographical fact to shake things up. Boston and Austin are the only 2 US state capitals with rhyming names. Let's keep the fun going. Fact number 17. The state of Colorado isn't shaped like a square. Don't let the maps fool you. Colorado has a much more complex shape, one that has as many as 697 sides. That's a hexaheptaenneaconticaheptagon for you geometry buffs out there. Fact number 16. The US has a large appetite. On average, Americans tend to eat about 100 acres of pizza each day. But there's more, around 20 billion hot dogs and 50 billion hamburgers a year. That's a lot of fast food. Fact number 15. You can walk from Alaska to Russia. Not only can you see Russia from Alaska, but you can also walk to it. This daring 2.4-mile trek could only be possible during the winter months when the Bering Strait freezes over. Ready for another rapid-fire round? This time of unique US state characteristics. Fact number 14.